Thanks to Amtrak, I headed to Albany for a fun, spooky weekend. I stayed at the Hampton Inn and Suites in downtown Albany, and it was so nice. Only a 2-minute walk away was Elias Coffee. I loved getting to watch our barista make our drinks, and I'm not kidding when I say it was one of the best iced vanilla lattes I've had. Not to mention, the almond croissant was so delicious. The New York State Capitol building is offering a special hauntings tour, and let me tell you, it's perfect for the month of October. I was absolutely amazed by the incredible architecture inside the Capitol building, specifically the intricate stonework and the beautiful staircases. One thing that I found particularly interesting about this haunting tour was that most of the tales were based on true stories, making it the ideal tour for those who love a good scare but also appreciate history. I continued my spooky weekend in Albany with the Dark Side of Downtown tour. It was so cool getting to listen to the eerie tales of Albany's residents while also standing in the exact locations where these stories unfolded. For dinner, I had the pleasure of eating at the Albany War Room Tavern. And as a sushi lover, this was the biggest treat. I started off my second day in Albany at Stack's Espresso with a delicious London fog tea. The city of Albany is truly dedicated to making sure that its local artists feel appreciated and supported. After looking through the art gallery, I headed to the city beer hall for a tasty brunch. I loved getting to see Albany's natural beauty and learn more about its history on the Dutch apple sightseeing cruise. And of course, I had to eat a burger after. See you soon, Halloween!